Welcome everyone. Today we're taking a quick look at the Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808S, a 2026 upgraded bi-directional diagnostic tool designed for professional and DIY mechanics to handle all car systems efficiently. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this automotive scanner at the best price in the market. The MK808S is a versatile device that works as the MK808BT Pro, MX808S, and even MK900BT, supporting over 150 car brands worldwide, including FCA AutoAuth, and covering all essential diagnostic services like oil reset, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coding, battery registration, and more. What makes it stand out is its bidirectional control and active testing capabilities, letting you check actuators like windows, mirrors, wipers, and sunroofs quickly, which saves both time and effort during maintenance. This scanner also offers full system diagnostics similar to dealer-level tools, providing detailed ECU information, 5-in-1 live data display, and convenient Wi-Fi report printing so you can document issues clearly. The Aut0Scan and AutoVIN features make identifying vehicle make, model, and year information faster than ever, helping you detect fault codes with minimal steps. While the MK808S is very powerful, it's worth noting that keeping the firmware updated ensures optimal performance and maximum compatibility, and some advanced functions may vary slightly depending on the vehicle model. Overall, this device combines professional-grade features with affordability, making it a cost-effective solution compared to higher-end scanners like MK900BT or MS906 Pro. Whether you're managing multiple vehicles in a workshop or simply want a reliable diagnostic tool at home, the MK808S offers global coverage, ease of use, and continuous software updates for 1 year, with lifetime technical support included. Its compact Android 11-powered interface and 7-inch touchscreen make navigation simple and fast, while its broad service functions cover almost any maintenance or troubleshooting scenario. For anyone looking for a professional yet reasonably priced automotive scanner, this tool delivers high performance without unnecessary complexity. So don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab your Autel MK808S and take the guesswork out of car diagnostics today.